The fifth house is the house of self-expression, creativity, and the joy of showing the world what lives in your heart. This house also rules play, fun, and excitement, reminding us that joy is an important part of life. The fifth house relates to romance and pleasure, helping us open to warmth, affection, and the sweetness of heartfelt connection. This house also speaks to children, creativity in motion, and the delight that comes from playfulness, laughter, and imagination. The fifth house loves art and entertainment, encouraging us to perform, create, and share our gifts with confidence. At its highest expression, the fifth house gives passion, bold inspiration, and the courage to begin new creative ventures, while balancing personal expression with the community spirit of the 11th house.